$2,000 one day. You need to have ambition to do this shit as well.
So this here is my friend Paul, and he does freelance brand scaling. To be specific, running paid ads for clothing brands that are already doing well with organic traffic. And by doing this, he has managed to generate over $2,000 in one day. And in today's video, I'm gonna be interviewing him and hanging out with him to see what a day in his life is like that led him to making $2,000 in a day. Let's get it. So Paul, just tell us, when did you start?
So I got into freelance brand scaling about 2 months ago. I was consistent with the outreach, everything. I managed to land my first client about 2 weeks into it. From there on, it's been good.
So, was this the first clothing brand that you DM'd, or how many did you have to go through before you got this client?
I'd say after about 2 weeks of sending out 100 DMs a day, that's when I managed to land this client.
So you guys see, success doesn't always come on the first try. As I said yesterday, failure is guaranteed in business. You just need to accept it and plan for failure and plan for how you're going to learn from that failure. Because that's the only thing you can do. You can't escape it. Because if you live fear in failure, then you're not even going to take the first step. Let's see the dashboard so that these guys can believe it.
So, as you can see, it's a proof right here. $2,000 one day. These are the tasks as well, you know, ambition. You need to have ambition to do this shit as well.
And people say Facebook ads are dead in 2025. So tell us, like, how much did you spend?
The ad spend, we spent about 800. We did about 2,100 in revenue generated from the ads. The rest of the revenue was from organic as well. So organic also does contribute a lot to the revenue.
When you started, did you think it would happen this soon?
Nah, definitely not. But I knew if I kept being consistent with it, I didn't give up, you know. You know, a lot of people, once you start sending out all these outreaches and you see people sending you back like, nah, just get out my DM or stuff like that, that's when they tend to give up. But if you keep going, if you keep reaching out with volume, you strike that winning clients, and that's when you'll be able to do those crazy numbers as well. So just don't give up, stay consistent, and yeah, you'll be able to reach this level as well.
So tell them, when you started freelance brand scaling, were you trying to do freelance brand scaling and YouTube automation and agency at the same time, or were you just focused on one thing?
So I'm only focused on doing the freelance brand scaling at the moment, but I'm building up my agency. So the best way to start it out is as a freelancer, I would say. You can just build up clientele that way and then build up an agency on top of that.
Alright, so what were some of the launch strategies you used? Did you hype up the drop?
Yeah, so we built up an SMS list. We ran ads on the SMS list. Once the launch is dropped, we just sent out SMSs to everyone that signed up.
So most starters would put their goal at a 1K day, but you already doubled that. So yeah. What's your next goal now?
My next goal is definitely the 5K day, or just doing like helping a brand reach a 50K month that I was previously not even doing anything close to that. So that's definitely my goal.
No slowing down.
Yeah, no slowing down, bro. No giving up. But just the foot is on the gas, bro. We're going crazy this year, man.
Now, you guys know I recently joined the team of a new clothing brand, and I've been trying to run the ads. Mom have been showing me how to run them, how to run the retargeting campaign. Alright, so let's see those creatives you're working on right now.
Alright, so this is one of the ones I'm doing for some clothing brand. This is another one right here. This is another one. And this one as well. And if you think this shit is hard, it's really not. This is some shit I did with one day experience of Photoshop. So this is some shit you guys can easily do, man.
Exactly, and look, the second he sent me his ads, I was like, bet, I'm gonna recreate that. And I did. Let me show them to you. Look at these. All I needed to see was a winning creative, bro. And I replicated that. Easy. 5 ads. And those are the ads I'm trying to run right now.
It's literally easy, man.
And let's see the results. So, as you guys can see here, man, we spent $97. We've gotten 0 sales. But in my opinion, that's not that bad, because our cheapest product is $45 and our hoodies are $125. So obviously, we need to allow a bit more spend. But what do you think about these results? 0.83 CTR.
Okay, the clicker rate could be a bit better, but it's not bad though.
get that one. What's per click is?
I just updated the budget to $50. Where it was 30.
Are you running any video creators?
We don't have. I know for videos we need models, doing the poses and shit. So we're shipping those out.
Facebook ad library. Just see what creators are working for. Like other clothing brands, like big brands. And then
I looked for Caprice.
Yeah, Caprice.
I copied his. The ad copy was like forward. But yeah.
Just get the video, like the video ads are running, and get the owner to create those type of ads, send them to you, and then you can also test those as well.
But this ad was banned, bro. It was spending the most. It was done that customers were missing the most, and they banned it, bro. They don't want me to sell it.
Facebook like this other client I was trying to sign, they told me the ad account got banned. Continue testing it like this for like 2-3 more days. If you're not getting any sales, just reduce it, and then also start testing video creative.
Could you show me how to make the retargeting campaign?
It's actually so easy.
It literally says it right here. We have advantage plus off. Bro, when you're going to watch this video in 1 year, some crazy weeks. Alright, yo, gonna get a little package right now, but I just want to talk about when you're doing this online business, you wanna make friends that have a similar mindset. Not people who are doubting whether the business will work, who are unmotivated. You want people that are in the same position as you, people that have already made money and that wanna scale up.
I think it's gonna be the allegations.
Just some chicken wings. Yeah, that's it.
Calm, bro. Gonna get our energy up and get back to the bag. What we're doing that time lapse, I was just setting up like a bundle on the product pages for some of the products in one of our collections. And you?
I was just making some ad creatives for this brand that I'm working with.
Yeah. So I'm about to buy this thing right here for the clothing brand. So it contains 150 plus premium Shopify themes, 400 plus mockups total, private manufacturer list, and a tech pack template. This is not my store, but this is the domain FBX Designs. I saw it off for Instagram post, and this thing is actually on sale. Instead of $107, it's $43. So I'm gonna buy that right now. Yeah, I'm gonna share it with Paul too, if we ever wanna start our own clothing brand. Already have everything we need. That's a hella good logo for the checkout page. Look at that. I'm learning sauce just because I was willing to spend money. Where do you see yourself 1 year from now?
1 year from now, making at least 10K per month profit.
How many different brands would you like to have at once?
In a year, I'd also want to have an agency built, so at least 10 to 20 different brands under the agency.
What city you want to stay in?
Hopefully Dubai or Miami.
Yeah, bro, because living in Dubai, bro, you're making like 8K a month. You can stay in the city center easy and still be
and you make
eating in good places. Yeah.
Dubai, definitely.
Because I mean, like, being out here is cool, and there's still rich people in Kenya, but some places are just on a different level, you feel me? So, like, what's one of the dream brands you'd like to work with in terms of scaling,
Scale, like the amount of followers.
Yeah, like a brand that's already existing, that you just like to work with, like Chico or something.
Hopefully something like Divide the Youth, Caprice, Awaited Malaysia, those brands like that.
Yeah, so Caprice doesn't even run Facebook ads, and yet his home is with Pierre, and Pierre knows Brez.
Yeah, Brez.
That's crazy.
Definitely.
But one thing about this online money stuff is that all of this is connected, bro. You're seeing us here talking about these dudes. We could be with Pierre and Brez in 2 months in the US, bro.
3 months.
Just off connecting on a phone, man. I just became mutual with someone on IG that's homeless with like all these gurus I be looking up to, and it's crazy because I know that in order to get that follow, I couldn't be an average person, bro. All the stuff I've been putting in is just coming to play. Same for you. So that's really how it goes, man. As I said earlier, can't have people that doubt, bro. Because the second you doubt that business, it's already over. Yeah.
And that's also, you guys also need to get on your personal brand, bro. Personal brand is everything. It's everything.
Bro, I have done 3 interviews in the past 24 hours. 2 of them was not being interviewed and 1 was interviewing him for this video, bro. If I didn't have a personal brand, I would still be struggling in e-com. There wouldn't really be nowhere out. I would still be making Roblox videos. But now because of a personal brand, I've been able to make money off mentorship, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, the network that I've built of people watching my videos and believing in me and deciding to invest in me, deciding to hire me for a certain job. Bro, like him, how many subs do you have today?
Right now I'm at, I'll say about 20. By the end of, I'll say by April, my goal is to be at least 500. So yeah.
Everybody subscribe to Paul, man.
You go and sub the channel will be in the description. Yeah.
He's already doing 2K a day. It's only up from here, bro. It's not even been 6 months. That's it from us. I'm gonna close it out. Fortunately, I have to dip and go waste 5 days in school, but still focus on the brand, you know. Yeah. Still gotta make time for what's important. So that's it. I hope you watched this video, taking away a lesson, taking away some motivation that you're actually going to put into tangible results. Don't just get motivated and go sleep. And see you in the next one. Peace.